For this problem, we're being asked to find the height of this lamppost. Now, a good strategy would be to notice that we can split this large triangle into half. And that's valuable because we now have a right angle triangle. We know that with this unknown angle theta here, sine of that angle is equal to root 3 over 2. From that, we can actually find out how many degrees that angle is a couple different ways. One would be if you do have your unit circle memorized, you would recognize root 3 over 2. Remember, the sine ratio is y over r. So we're looking for which coordinate has a y value of root 3 over 2. And that occurs where we have an angle of 60 degrees. That point would have x coordinates of 1/2 and a y coordinate of root 3 over 2. Okay, so so we know that that angle is 60 degrees. But also, if you didn't know that, you could use your calculator to help you out. As long as you're in degree mode, you could type in sine inverse of root 3 over 2, and you'll notice that you will get a value of 60 degrees. So at any rate, we know that we have a right angle where this angle is 60 degrees. And we know that the horizontal distance is 9 feet. That's pretty easy to get. You'll notice that because this entire distance is 18 feet and we're cutting it in half. Anyway, we're looking for the height of the lamppost. So we'll call that h over here. So now let's think about which trig ratio we would want to utilize. We know that we want it to involve the side opposite of the angle given to us and the side adjacent. So that would be our tan ratio. So we can write out that tan of 60 is going to equal opposite over adjacent. So h over 9. Well, that's pretty easy to solve. All we need to do is multiply both sides of the equation by 9. So really, our height is going to equal 9 times tan of 60. And if you work that out in your calculator, you get an answer of 15.59 feet, and that is if we round to the nearest hundredth, like we are being asked to do. All right, hope that was helpful, and thanks for choosing JD's Prep.